Here's today's REMI Quick Tech Tip TS-038. Today we're going to be talking about engagement noise, slow or no start, and a rapid starter failure for various Audis and Volkswagens. So what could be causing these symptoms? Well, many Audi and Volkswagen vehicles are equipped with a starter that does not have a traditional drive end housing. Instead, the front shaft of the starter mounts inside a bushing in the bell housing. That said, this bushing must be replaced whenever the starter is replaced. Use a suitable tool to remove the old bushing and install the bushing provided with the replacement starter. Lastly, be sure to reprogram the power control module to the latest service calibration. That's the REMI Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter or alternator should be a REMI.